Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Donna Cocinera, and today I will show you how to make Brazo de Mercedes. It's a traditional Filipino meringue roll with a custard filling typically dusted with powdered sugar. Start with egg whites and cream of tartar. Beat until frothy. Using the wire whisk, beat on a high speed.
Take me back to my hometown. Take me back to my loved ones.
When it's frothy, gradually add the sugar.
Back in my hometown. Take me back to my hometown. Back to my loved ones. Back to my hometown. Back in my
Continue beating until stiff. Brazo de Mercedes is simply translated as Mercedes arm. It actually means Arm of Our Lady of Mercy. In Spanish, from Nuestra Señora de las Mercedes, a common devotional title for Mary, Mother of Jesus. The dessert dates back to the Spanish colonial period. And prepare the baking pan. Line it with wax paper. In my last video, the cheesy ensaimada, the link is down below. I only use egg yolk into that recipe. This is another way to use egg whites when not only wasting but creating a delicious dessert. Another tips, when separating egg whites from the egg yolk, make sure that no egg yolk into the egg whites, and the bowl and utensil that you're going to use are all dry. Because even a drop of water or a little mix of egg yolk, it will ruin your egg white. It will not going to stick.
Take me back to my hometown. Take me back to my loved ones. We were kids, now we're all grown. Back in my hometown. Take me back
When egg white is stiff, add cornstarch. Cornstarch give volume and have a cakey texture to the meringue. And beat more just until well blended and turn off the mixer. This is how you know that the egg whites are stiff. Pour and spread evenly onto the baking pan. Hope you like my music too, my hometown, Philippines. Cooking food like this brings me back to my homeland. And bake on a preheated oven 180 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes or until lightly brown on top. While baking the meringue, prepare the custard. Combine eggs, flour, and sugar. Whisk.
so we tried to use a flashlight as a guide. And now I'm standing in an overcrowded train, picturing the times we had as children while the rain is pouring down the windows and the people push their way.
Then add the milk and vanilla.
Take me back to my hometown. Take me
Turn heat into a medium.
ones. We were kids, now we're all grown. Back in my home.
Continue mixing to prevent from curdling. When it starts thickening, turn heat into a low. Then add the condensed milk and cook for more until thickened. Then let it cool. Meringue is ready and let it cool. Spread custard filling into 3/4 part of the meringue. Spread it evenly. And roll it.
We were riding through the woods with our bikes. We got scared when it got darker at night, 'cause everyone was missing safety lights. So we tried to use a flashlight as a guide. And now I'm standing in an overcrowded train, picturing the times we had as children while the rain is pouring.
Dust with powdered sugar and you can serve it just like this.
Take me back to my hometown. Take me back to my loved ones.
Or serve it like this.
We're kids, now we're all grown.
Or for birthday cake.
Back in my home.
That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Keep safe, everyone.
Back to my home. Back to my home.